How to fix Instagram enable to load images in less than 1 minute. In less than 1 minute on this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks tab right here, and then go to the Wi-Fi and disable the Wi-Fi, then enable it again. Now go back to the settings, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, and right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just wait a few seconds, and then after you wait, then you need to scroll down until you find Instagram. Okay, I think we still need to wait, just patient please. Okay, scroll until you find Instagram. Click here on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.